f problem is f of x equal to e to the power of x. Show that f dash of x equal to e to the power x. This is the standard formula. F dash of x equal to limit x tends to 0 f of x minus f of x by h. We substituting the in given values in this formula. E to the power of, here f is e, where e is there we putting in that place, and e, this x plus is covered with this x plus h minus e to the power of x. Why? Because f of x equal to e to the power of x equal to limit h tends to 0 e to the power of x plus h minus e to the power of x by h. After we substituting all this, we get this, and equal to limit h tends to 0. I write this by separating e to the power of x into e to the power of h minus e to the power of x. Why I write this? Because we have a formula a to the power of m plus n equal to a to the power of m into a to the power of n. That's why I write like this, equal to limit h tends to 0 e to the power of x into 1 into e to the power of x. One into e to the power of h minus 1. I took common e to the power of x. I took common, that's where I write here 1 into e to the power of h minus e to the power of x is common, that's why I put here 1 by h equal to e to the power of x limit h tends to 0 e to the power of h minus 1 by h e to the power of x into 1. Why? Because limit x tends to 0 e to the power of x minus 1 by x equal to 1. This is the formula, that's where this is the x, and by x minus 1, that's why I put here 1. F dash of x equal to e to the power of x d of x by dx equal to the power of x.